Midjourney AI free, widening generative AI's creative capacity. Midjourney AI has emerged as a long-awaited solution for individuals eager to harness the potential of generative AI, a technology recently introduced in today's fast-paced and modernized world, all without requiring any financial commitment. In the present landscape, generative AI-focused tools have become readily accessible, thanks to the fierce competition among tech giants striving for excellence in this field. Unfortunately, many of these exceptional tools come at a high cost, demanding payment for their usage. However, Midjourney AI is a remarkable exception, as it's a free tool developed by the independent research organization Midjourney Inc., based in San Francisco. Not only is it free of charge, but it also delivers a level of functionality and high-quality artwork on par with paid AI tools. This makes it the ultimate choice for those eager to explore the realm of AI-driven art. While Midjourney AI isn't entirely and unconditionally accessible without cost, it extends a warm welcome to newcomers by offering 20 free uses. This provides newcomers with a margin to experiment and delve into the tool's intricate capabilities, a generous gesture by the developers, allowing a broader audience to embark on a creative journey without financial constraints.